Once you diss me, it's over, kid. And you know that, kid. But if you don't know, now you know, kid. I'ma kill you for talking shit on and off the track, bitch. I don't get why I got this, now I gotta kill you, kid. Oh, I get why, it's cause I'm killing shit. Now you on my dick. And we the same sign, but you moving like a fraud. You not a tourist fraud. You can't be my sign moving like that, fraud. Stop capping. And oh, you thought you was gonna sneak diss me? And I wasn't gonna see it? That's stupid, silly. I'ma see it, I seen it. That was stupid to diss me, you gotta be ended. And get my name out your mouth. I'ma have to kill you, clown. And nobody gonna kill me, nobody can kill me. And if his name Drew, he food. And if his name Day, he a plate. How your cousin leave you lame? Your family strange. And if his name Trey, he a lame. And fuck acting tough on YouTube. I'ma drop hound in your face, dude. Then drop you for being fooled. I'ma bake you for playing. Shut the fuck up, wankster. And I don't need no sympathy. And don't expect no sympathy from me. And I know Bappo see me killing shit. And if he whooped it, he a stain, he a plate. And watch how you move with that mask. You a disguise, you a fraud. You gon' die soon for your games. Oh, he dissed me? Well, it's time for me to bake him. Uh-oh, I found a new target. Another clown is talking down on me. Uh-oh, I found a new target to hit up. Another punk talking junk. And I'm killing shit with my brother. He's still with me, he never left me. Even though sometimes it feel like it. And stop acting tough on the net, punk. You not gonna do nothing. I'm really like that, they bluffing. Oh, they dissing, just say the word. I'ma leave them on the curb. And when I see you, I'ma let my chop do the talking. And stop focusing on me. I'm not focused on you, punk. Stop trying to make me focus on you, punk. And you made yourself a target now. I gotta bake you up. And fuck making a call. A lot of niggas turned their back on me anyway. I only need myself. Fuck making a call. I got myself, and I definitely don't wanna call a fraud.